Alright guys, welcome to a continuation of my analysis and transmittal record using SQL Management Studio. So in this particular part, what I'm trying to look at here is out of pocket cost, right? Trying to look at the amount of money that's actually coming out of the patient's pocket, because most of these expenses were covered by insurance. In order to do that, I had to of course create a new column on my encounter tables. We are working with 4 different tables, right? So if you were following this particular analysis, you would have noticed that from the first, second part. So I'm creating a new column called out of pocket cost. So in order to do that, we have to alter our encounter table, because the 2 columns I'll be using to create that is actually on the encounter table. So I have to add out of pocket cost, which is the name of the new column that I want to have, and of course I have to put the data type just right in front of it, which is float. Why float? Because we're going to be having decimal numbers based on the 2 columns that we'll be using to get this out of pocket cost. So that said, let's update the table above. That is, we're updating our encounter column, our encounter table, and of course we're updating the out of pocket cost. So we'll update our encounters, set out of pocket cost equals to, and that is where we now have the formula that I used to get the out of pocket cost. And of course we are subtracting 2 columns, or subtracting a column from the order. So let's wait while that comes up. So that is total claim cost, right? What is the total claim cost here? It is the total cost of the encounter, including all the item used, right? Of course we have the payer covered, that is the total amount that the insurance actually covered. So after subtracting it, right, I got my out of pocket cost. It was quite a large number in terms of decimal places, so I had to round it up to 2 decimal places. And of course, after rounding it up, executing my query, and of course calling on my encounter table, now I have a new column, out of pocket cost. So here I can do further analysis with this particular column. So that said, I'll see you in the next part. If you are yet to watch the remaining part, just go down my page, you'll see every other thing that I've done. Thank you. Bye.